Kiguri Bulayungai. Hello to a new day. Nayo Kangamali Nuli. Nirigamandala Junganda Yugambena. I am making known that we're meeting in Yugambeh country. Jagan Bulu Bulunoro, a country of many rivers. Gujaranu Biran, Gugan Baramara, Gugan. From Kudjara in the south to near Mount Stapleton in the north. Vajrani, Dugan, Banbara, Goananga, Dewey. From Mount Barney in the west to the beaches of the Dolphins in the east. Nuligang, Wulawa, Joganai. We give country respect. Nuliging, Walawa, Karanli, Kajibayam. We give respect to all here today.
Today we're here with co-founder of Rivermount College, Ms. Corrie Young, and director of the Hank Young Foundation. Today we're going to discuss what reconciliation means to us and our vision for the school.
The school was born out of frustrated experiences before we arrived at this idea. But to us it was the best thing was the building bridges between the two cultures. And we actually got Neville Bonner involved. So he was very good for us to pave the way, and I think we can do a lot more still. The whole aim is also to develop our young people that they go out there and understand that it becomes a natural thing to build bridges with the Aboriginal people. And to understand them, you have to learn the history, but you also need to then be what's happening now. That changed very much from when we started. But people don't always understand that the Aboriginals, they're nations. That's part of the understanding as well.
There's some 300 and something tribes across the country of Australia. So, every culture is different.
It is.
And until we have those discussions and ask questions, we're never going to know.
Exactly right.
Yeah. Thank you for your time today. It's interesting to hear your side of the story.
It's great meeting up with you.
Thank you.
My name's Kyle. I'm with the Preston Campbell Foundation. I'm a former student of Rivermount College as well. And Rivermount College was doing great things towards reconciliation back then. And coming back later on, I'm a bit older now, it's been a while, but it's great to see that not only is Rivermount still doing what it started off doing when they started, but now it's gone leaps and bounds. It's awesome to see, and it's great to be a part of. I think the school and what they do here is create positive opportunities, education opportunities for our young Indigenous students, in a great role for reconciliation throughout Australia.
The Buddy Chair and the art tells the story of Colin Young, Corrie Young, Hank Young and Neville Bonner coming together with a vision to create reconciliation for both Aboriginal and Torres Strait and Anglo-Australian. The hands means many memories, so many memories of past, present and emerging. The buddy bench means if you're feeling like you're in need of a conversation or a buddy, come and have a seat and share your story or engage in a conversation. And that's what we believe reconciliation is, because the message this year is in it together.